Hi, today we will solder the do-it-yourself kit of high voltage transformer. You can see the unpacking in previous video. In this video we will solder. So there is do-it-yourself kit of high voltage transformer, 15,000 volts. It is 15 kilovolts. And now I will solder the components of this kit. So just one minute. So we need some soldering iron, flux. Now I have everything for soldering. Yeah, you need everything for soldering. So let's start with some diode. Here they can see the cathode, and here it is marked also on the PCB. You can see this is cathode. So just 1 second. Yeah, and the second, and also the resistor. Here we can see. And then we cut. And then we will solder. We use some flux. The soldering iron is ready. More flux. Okay. Next components. Can install the switch. You can see the mark, the position. it looks. It's okay. Next components. Okay. It's okay, and then transistor. So before solder, just here we have some screw, and we must just fix it before we solder. We fix it to the transistor, and now we will solder it. Now, just see, there mustn't be some shortcuts, be careful. Now it's okay. Then we'll just fix the transformer and fix it with it. So about the transformer, as I said earlier in previous video, here the wire, thick and thin and thin. You can see the transformer will be like that, and then there we can see the contacts here, the wire. So we need thick, then thick and thin wires, and thick. Just 6 on the PCB, and then we must cut like that, and then fix the lid. No, not this side, sorry. This side is, and then just fix it. Then solder the contacts. Before soldering we must clean, because it is enameled wire. First we cut and then clean. Check before solder the contacts. It's okay. Then we clean and cut. I've just cleaned the contacts of the wires and then cut. Then I add some hooks. Just this is for power cables. Yeah. Now we'll solder it first. The transformer wires. Yeah, it's okay. And then the wires looks. This is board with my logo. I just remember about it. So more flux. Plus. Then minus, this plus, oh, the minus. It's okay. Or you can also use these contacts for power supply. It's additional. So we just finished this kit. Just cut off. For power supply, I use the lithium battery. This 18. This type of battery, lithium battery. So I used the power bank case and just soldered the two wires, and it is easier to use and to just to charge it. Yeah, you can close it like this, then for power supply, it is 3.7 volts till 4.2 volts. This battery is this lithium battery is excellent for this. And the seller just write that he writes that you can use 12 volts, but in this case you need additional resistor 150 ohms till 1.5 kilo ohms, but it is not recommended. It is recommended to use 3.7 till 4.2 volts here for power supply. Afterwards we need to clean, but before clean I want to check this device. We can clean it using isopropyl alcohol, and then we will do it. Now I just test the high voltage contacts. The distance must be not so large, because if the distance between the high voltage lines are so large, we can easily burn the transformer. So we need to make the distance 5 millimeters, like that. So please stay safe, just follow the security rules, don't touch anything at this PCB, because it is there are some it is very dangerous. It is high voltage transformer. Please stay safe, don't touch any components. Then the power supply is on. Be careful. Just turn the power supply on and then just see. Yeah, and check the previous time the wire was cut, sorry. Then it's okay. You can see electrical discharge. Just turn off the flashlight to see it more clearly. You can see, huh? Very beautiful. Oh, it's very hot. I just turn it off before make anything. I just turned it off. Yeah, please be careful. Safety rules. Huh? This is good. You can see, yeah. So don't make a distance very large, because it will burn very fastly. So very good. So they tested this GU kit, do-it-yourself kit, high transformer, 15 kilovolts, 15,000 volts. Just turned it off. Here, the power supply and also the switch. And now I just clean the PCB plate for making it more beautiful. For cleaning, I used, as I said, as I told you earlier, isopropyl alcohol. So now I will clean this, and also use toothbrush for easy cleaning. You must clean the flux. Yeah, it writes that it not need this flux. Producer writes the no need of cleaning, but for better result, it's better to clean. Now it's clean and you can see the result. Excellent. Yeah. Good result. You can see how it's look like. This is high volt lines and this is power supply line, power supply cables. So like that. And after cleaning I want to see one more time how it works. Just turn off the flashlight. Oh, very cool. You see and you can hear. Okay, turn it off. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, be careful, follow the electrical safety rules, be careful, stay safe. Thanks for attention. Just click subscribe button, just click like, it helps to make more interesting videos for you, and click the bell. You will receive the notice of new videos. Thanks for attention, be healthy, bye.